Thanks for stopping by for this week's 2 Minutes with Tim. Remember, you can get past editions of 2 Minutes with Tim at timvanronselen.com. This week I want to talk about class action litigation. You've no doubt received things in the mail or in emails or seen things on TV about a class action settlement or a class action lawsuit that may affect you. And many people have questions about that and wonder, what does that mean to me? Well, a class action is a case where people have grouped together to bring a case against usually one or more individuals or corporations, alleging that everybody, all of the plaintiffs, have been harmed in the same way. Think of things like your cell phone, credit card, or your television service. You and millions of people have grouped together and have signed an agreement with that provider, whether an internet service or credit card, something like that. You agree to provide certain benefits to them in the terms of a monthly invoice in return for them giving you access to a network or programming or credit pursuant to the terms of your conditions of agreement with that company. Well, what if that company decided next month they were going to make a little more money and charge just $1 more a month for that 1 month? What would that mean? Well, in regard to AT&T, who's got about 134 million customers, that could mean $134 million that they would bring in money. And the question then is, everybody would be damaged in the amount of $1. Well, no one's going to hire a lawyer to sue somebody over $1. But of course, that $1 to you could mean $134 million in improperly gained profits by the defendant. And class actions are meant to remedy that problem. And that's where people can band together to bring a case that on its own nobody would bring, but collectively is actually quite a big case. We do class action litigation. We have cases involving things like the Volkswagen cars you've seen that have got trick devices in them to trick people into thinking that it's a low emission vehicle when it's not. We've handled cases involving cellular phones, DirecTV, Dish Network, those kinds of things. If you or a loved one have questions about class action litigation or what it might mean to you, feel free to give me a call. It doesn't cost anything for you just to call me and ask. You can call me at 573-635-7977. It doesn't cost you anything to give me a call. Thanks for stopping by for this week's 2 Minutes with Tim.